there, it's Amanda. I'm here in Brooklyn. I've got a lot of construction noise with my neighbors upstairs. I'm gonna be making slow roasted chicken with extra crisp skin. And I've got my oven heating at 300 and I'm gonna quarter a lemon and then I'm gonna tell you all about this recipe. And as you can see, I've got lots of herbs here. I've got sturdy sage and then I've got more delicate herbs like Italian parsley, tarragon, and chives. Those I'm gonna save until later. I'm gonna put some salt in here first. And I am going to be stuffing I did 2 of the lemons and then I'm gonna take my herbs and stuff them in and then use the rest of the lemons to jam them in. Now, I'm gonna season the rest of the bird. What is great about this recipe and why it is a genius recipe, according to Kristen, is because you cook it, you slow roast it at 300, and then because it will be nice and soft, really easy to carve, then you pull off all the skin because it's gonna be easy to remove because the whole chicken is gonna be nice and tender. And then you take the skin and we're gonna put it in the oven and we're gonna crisp it up while we carve the chicken. And then we're gonna just crumble the crisp chicken skin all over with some herbs and more lemon, and I think it sounds amazing. This is our, I've never used this one on camera. It's called Fennel, and it's one of our best-selling pepper mills, and our shop team sent me home with one recently. All right, so I'm gonna put this here onto a roasting pan. You can use a roasting pan, you can use a baking sheet. I'm using a stove enameled cast iron. And then we're gonna stick it in a 300-degree oven for, I think like 3 hours. I'm gonna stick that in there. In the meantime, I wanted to show you the book. So this is Kristen's 3rd Genius Cookbook. This is the culmination of 10 years of just gathering awesome recipes, like tips, insights from cookbook authors, chefs, just amazing cooks in the world who have created recipes that really change the way you cook. It has been 3 hours, and I'm now gonna check the temperature. It's supposed to be 165. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna go into the thickest part of the thigh. Oh wow, the skin is already crisp. Oh my gosh, that's definitely done. I could have probably taken it out a little sooner. This is the chicken. And it actually has a beautifully crisp skin already. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just let this cool for a few minutes, just until I can just touch it. And then we're gonna peel off all the skin. So in the meantime, I'm gonna crank up my oven to 425. So 2 things are gonna happen here. First, I'm gonna start peeling off the skin, and you're supposed to take off the entire skin. It doesn't have to come off in one piece at all, because you're gonna ultimately just break it up. So I'm gonna just kind of peel it off as I can, just watch out for the steam because it'll get you. I think it's time for, what do they call that mode? Fast mode. I've got my crisp skin. I'm gonna stick that in the oven until it's crisp. I don't know how long it's gonna take. It's at 425. I'm just gonna keep an eye on it while I carve the rest of the chicken. The rest of the chicken, I'm just gonna be pulling it into pieces. Oh, that's hot. What's nice about a recipe like this is it's hard to ruin. my ideal kind of recipe. So don't forget these little guys, because they have a lot of really tasty little nuggets of meat on them. Time to get out of the oven. Here we go. Very well baked skin. And I'm just gonna let it cool for a little bit. I might actually give it a little scrape because, oh yeah, that's how you know. It should come up off of the pan. All right, woohoo, this is gonna be great. I've got all the chicken nicely pulled apart. You're not gonna believe this sound. Isn't that awesome? So, Kristen says to make sure you scrape all of the bits out of the pan, and I just wanted to show you, like, you really wanna get every last bit. Okay, so use something metal for that. And then I like to use spatula to make sure that I don't leave anything behind. Then I have some sprinkled herbs and lemon wedges. I'm at home, so I can eat with my hands. You gotta make this chicken. And you gotta check out Kristen's book, Simply Genius, and I will see you soon.